Alright, go ahead.
These niggas out here slipping, they with the rat pack. Hit them with the chopper, that's the rat trap. Find them in that trash bag off the interstate. House full of gangsta niggas, never renovate.
Alright, what's going on, everybody? So, this is the day after the complete shit show picking up this car. Traded my dually, single cab, cat eye, for this 2019 Audi S4. We picked it up in Simi Valley. My buddy and I, Tony, Static Works, we made it to Casick, ate some food, and then hit the road, but barely as we were going up the Grapevine, the car goes into limp mode. Go ahead. Smoke comes out the exhaust. It was hesitating, sputtering, until when you give it gas, it runs smooth. So I popped off the intake filter, this one, right there on the side of the road. I looked up inside of here too. There was a bunch of oil, as you could see, that big slope. The following day, which is today, we ordered a new turbo, but as I was beginning the disassembly of everything, you know, I'm pretty close. I have vacuum lines off, I have the coolant line out, the two coolants, the one oil feed, and then the oil drains on underneath. I'm removing the high flow cat pipings and stuff in the back to the downpipes.
What?
Then I was like, you know what, let me pop off the oil filter. Let me see what the deal is. You guys see that? You guys fucking see that? Well, we are right here. We lifted up the car. We already had a gut feeling it was the fucking motor. Nonetheless, I mean, it was too good to be true for it to possibly be a turbo. But we were looking up in here, drained the oil, and look at what we found. A whole ass fucking piston ring. Pieces of the fucking piston. Crazy. So what? So I mean, what's the next move? Fuck. Either source a motor or we might rebuild it. But I think it's better just to source one. We don't even know how that block is. So yeah.
Goodbye.